How to use Kitlab for your development projects. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to use Kitlab for your development projects. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to purchase the kits right here from Kitlab. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So here we are in the Kitlab website. So they have different kinds of kits right here that you can choose from. So they have the Rapid Go Flu, A and B and COVID-19 home test kit, and different kinds of STD kits right here, like the common, comprehensive, and the complete STD kit. So for the Kitlab Rapid Go kit, this comes with easy nasal swab, 3-in-1, results in 15 minutes, FDA approved, highest accuracy, bird flu inclusive. It has an app with instructions and treatment options and no serial testing required. So how does it work? So first, all you have to do is just simply collect your sample. So use the simple nasal swab that is included in the kit and then follow the easy step-by-step instructions on the QRI to prepare and run the test. And then you can read and receive your results, which will appear around 15 minutes. And then positive or negative indicators for flu A, flu B, and COVID-19 are displayed individually. And there are also telehealth consults available. So yeah, so that's how you do or how you use the kits right here from Kitlab. Moving on, so you have the STD kits right here. So to use it, choose an at-home STD kit that fits your needs. Pick your shipping, then receive your STD kit in its discrete packaging and register your STD kit here. Afterwards, just simply collect your urine sample at home following the detailed instruction in your kit. Pack your sample in the prepaid return mailer and send via USPS. Then once our lab receives your sample, they'll get to work and then you'll receive a link to your STD results within 24 to 48 hours, and if positive, a physician will get in touch about treatment options. So yeah, so those are pretty much it on how you use the kits right here from Kitlab. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to purchase the kits right here from Kitlab. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.